Welcome back to the channel. Stoked that you're back here with us. We're gonna do something today that's gonna be super easy. Anybody can do. Honestly, this is like gonna be super fast, stupid easy money. Just watch. So I picked up this 2008 Dodge Charger. It's an SE, it's got the 3.5 liter V6 in it, rear wheel drive, automatic. It's a cop car, all right? And it was listed with having a bad fuel pump in it, all right? So I ended up bidding on it. I won the bid for $575, guys. I mean, that is just, all right? It's got 108,000 miles on it. It's got nothing on it. That thing is freaking pretty stinking amazing. Anyways, I just put a fuel pump in it. All right, Seth and I just got done installing the new fuel pump in our $500 cop car. Oh, hopefully we did it correctly. Let's find out if this pig starts. Oh. Oh. All right. Oh, I hear it kick on. Yeah, that's good news. Let's go ahead and cycle it one more time. Oh, I hear it picking up. All right, good. Good. All right, here we go. Yes! Right on, dude. Yeah. Right on. That's money right there. Okay. I'm not even gonna wash it. I'm just gonna take some pictures of it and throw it up on Facebook for 2K. And this thing's gonna sell fast, like stupid fast. All right. So I'm just gonna show you what I end up doing. Go around, take pictures, and make my listing. Anyways, anytime you take pictures, every single time you take a picture, make sure you're in landscape. What landscape means is that you're taking the picture like this, okay? Do not take the picture like this, all right? You wanna give a nice wide picture, all right? That way people can see detail and everything like that. Another thing that you're gonna wanna do, as you can see, you're gonna wanna take a picture at each corner of the car. That way you can see the front or the back of the car and down the side, okay? Just gives a good exposure of the car. Take a picture of the interior, take a picture of the odometer. That way people can see the miles, all right? Facebook, marketplace, sell, vehicle. Here we go. Add photos. Bam, 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 bam. Done. 7 photos. Okay? Giving a decent amount of detail with pictures. That way people can see them. Okay, mileage. 108,000. Okay. Kelley Blue Book says that it's worth $3,668 to $5,513. We're gonna post this at 25. First person that offers me 2K. Okay, we're gonna list this on Facebook. I'm not gonna list it on my news feed because I don't like doing that. All right, I don't want to post all my stuff and spam all my friends and everything like that. All right, go across all my extra groups that I have for posting stuff. All right, and publish. All right, take a second here. Wham bam, it's done, it's up. It is Thursday, October 24th, 1:11 p.m. Just posted it. Let's see how fast this flies.
The next day.
All right, guys. So, yeah. Just sold the car. $2,200. That's what we got for it. And it is now 1:53 p.m. the following day. So, when I say that you can do this and how easy it is, yeah, that was really easy. All right. I'll end up doing a list here, showing you how much I'm into it. But, wow, it is phenomenal. So, the deal that I got right now, so I just put the title in my name, okay? And I got new plates for it. and tags for it. Put those on there. The guy paid me $1,200 down, all right, and I'm collecting the next $1,000 on delivery of the title, all right, and I'll let them take the vehicle. Now, I'm okay with them taking a vehicle because the amount of money that they put down actually exceeds my costs into it right now. So I'm pretty low risk with that. Anyways, yeah, you can do this. This is easy. This is really easy. All right, we'll talk to you later. Good now? We're recording?
Yeah.
All right, you hold it? All right. All right, guys. So the Charger that I just sold to that gentleman, power steering line on it blew on his way home. So we're on our way to go pick up the trailer. We're gonna go to his house and pick up the car from him. Now, technically, I am not responsible for this power steering line blowing, but I'm gonna cover the cost of this line and the repair costs for it, or the labor cost and the cost of the line, okay, and put in the new power steering line for him. All right, that's just the proper thing to do. I would be pissed off if I bought something and then something blew out on the way home. All right, even though like it could have happened 2 weeks from now, it could have happened 2 months from now, it could happen a year from now, who knows? But I'm just doing my own due diligence and something that makes me feel good. All right, good karma. That's what we're all about.
Good.
All right.